Hey guys, how's it going? Beautiful winter day out here in the desert today. There's something about the desert that just excites me. I love being out here. Ever since I was a kid, I've always just felt drawn to these seemingly desolate places. I absolutely love it out here. I'm out here today looking for desert bighorn sheep. I spend a lot of time observing and photographing bighorn sheep, but oddly enough, I've never photographed desert bighorn sheep before. I always spend time with Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep, the occasional California bighorn sheep, but never desert bighorn sheep. So I'm excited to be out here looking for them. I see a lot of their sign around. There's a lot of prints in here, scat, as well as sign from other animals. I've got some owl poop over here, some bat guano, just a lot of life out here. Just gotta find it. That's the challenge. So I'm out here to hopefully get some bighorn sheep, fingers crossed, and whatever other life I can. So I'm gonna keep hiking and see what I can find. So I found some sheep here, and guys, they are so beautiful. These desert bighorn sheep, they look a little bit different than what I'm used to. Their bodies, they seem a lot smaller, a lot skinnier. A lot of that is probably because their coat isn't as thick as the Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep that I generally spend time with. But yeah, they look a lot smaller, and because of that, their horns just look gigantic on them. And they just look really cool. The female's horns as well, I've noticed, they seem a lot bigger and a lot longer and more curved than I'm used to. I've never studied the genetic differences between these guys and the Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep that I usually watch. And so that's something I'll definitely have to add onto my list of things to research. But, these guys are just beautiful. And to get them in these red rocks, that's the best part. I mean, it's just beautiful out here. what a fun day I've had with these guys. These winter days always seem to pass and go by so quickly. But, you know, it's been a great day. I wish I had more time out here. This is just a quick stop on my way out to another area that I'm headed to. So I'm so glad that I was able to spend the day here hiking around and exploring a little bit. I'm so happy that I found these bighorns. This is an area I've never explored before. I passed through maybe, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago, and I was never able to explore it. So I'm just so grateful that I was able to do a little hiking today, explore the area, and that I was able to find those bighorns. That just made my day. So much fun with these guys. I'll definitely be coming back out here again because this is just an awesome, beautiful, beautiful area. You know, as you guys get out there to enjoy nature and the wildlife that calls these beautiful places home, please do so respectfully. That's definitely the best way to enjoy the outdoors, is to do it respectfully. Thank you so much for following along this week. I've got to get going. It's getting cold, it's getting dark, and I got to make my way out. So thank you so much, you guys, for following along. We'll see you next time.